All right, let's get into the psychology of making money. It's a pretty personal guide.
It really isn't about luck or being some kind of genius. It's all about your mindset. Because we all have a secret script running our financial lives, one we didn't even write. This thing was formed back in your childhood, and it dictates everything you do with money today.
So there are four main types. Let's see if we can figure out which one is yours.
Want to decode your script? These 3 steps will trace it right back to its childhood roots.
Think of it like this. You have a wealth ceiling that keeps you at a certain level. So if you want to earn more, you've got to give yourself permission by changing that identity first.
Now this right here, this belief is one of the biggest things holding people back.
It's actually super simple. Does something put money in your pocket or take it out? Let's classify a few common purchases. Some of these might actually surprise you a little bit. Go ahead and do this quick audit for yourself. You'll see your patterns instantly. So why do we fear loss so much? Well, our brains are literally wired for scarcity.
Yeah. The pain of losing feels twice as powerful as the joy of winning. That's a problem. So here's how you can start to analyze that fear. Just see every loss as tuition you've paid. And here's the most powerful belief to break. Stop trying to save money. Start saving time. You need to figure out your hourly rate. This number becomes your brand new filter for decisions. So when you do a $50 task yourself, you're not saving $50, you're losing $50. Ready for some new habits? Here's your 3-step plan to install a totally new mindset. Okay, your old story is done. So what's the first line of your new one gonna be?